Today it was so exciting that we were able to have the dedication. Again, we're so thankful to McWane and Tom Crawford and Mr. McWane for seeing our vision and making it happen.
I really want to thank Philip McWane and his senior staff and team members that are here today. Any government that changes its community does not do so from within. They need help from public-private partnerships. And McWane has stepped up big time in a gift to Coshocton. It is a great day for Coshocton.
Our vision at McWane Ductile is really families and children and what we can do to enhance our community. And I'm just really proud of what we've been able to accomplish together.
We wanted to have a complete project for Mr. McWane to see, because we really feel that it's important for him to see how much our community appreciates what he's willing to do for us.
It looks great. It looks great. And I heard people were already using it before it was finished. So it's one thing to donate, give the money. It's another thing to get it done. I want to thank each of y'all and congratulate each of y'all. And I know it's something y'all be proud of, we'll all be proud of for generations to come. I'm honored to be with you today on behalf of McWane Ductile to celebrate the dedication of the McWane Riverwalk project. This occasion marks a significant milestone in our journey as a company deeply intertwined in the fabric of this community. It is with tremendous gratitude that we give back to the place we all call home. I think, hasn't the plant been there 120 years? So it is our home too.
Okay, ready? Three,
2, 1.
I would just encourage everyone to come out and take a look at what McWane Ductile's gift to this community is and what it will do for our future.
Come out and participate and walk the trail and just enjoy it, because it's wonderful.